Book promo packages. What are they? Why do you need one? Do you need one? What can you put in them? So today we're going to talk about that, and I'm going to give you an example of one that I got in the mail. And I just thought it was so amazing, so wonderful, put together by a couple of young girls who they're sisters, and they wrote a book together. And I actually did an interview with them. So if you want to see that, that's also on the channel. Okay. A book promo package. Basically, it's a bundle of marketing materials. It can be just digital, so you could just send like an email of what this would be, explaining what your book is about, who you are, little just background info. My daughter made one that we sent out to the library in our area, and it was just all about her and about her book and giving a little promotion before we launched the book, just to kind of drive people to be excited about it with her. You could also post this to your social media or send it out to your marketing, your email, or friends and family, however you go about doing that. But you could also send a package. Now, if you send a package, you would want to send this package to people that would be on your launch team or people that you know would actually read the book and leave you a review, an honest review of that book. You want them to get excited, but you also want to thank them in some way for being on your team to build you up and help you reach this goal. So this package I got, it's just amazing, from Isabella and Liliana. They wrote this book, The Legend of Swamp Falls, and their promo package was such a delight to get in the mail. Let me show it to you. So they put this together themselves. It was so creative and so attention to detail. They even had a little stamp, a seal that they put on the envelope for the card that they sent along with it. That was a wax seal. I thought that was amazing. But you open this box and you just see it's so beautiful. It's tied together with this beautiful velvety ribbon, and I didn't even want to open it at that point. Their card, just their colors, they matched the book so well. But inside they had hand-drawn illustrations. They had pens. They had this beautiful tissue paper and greenery. And of course, the book, which was amazing, but this little tiny stuffy that goes along with the book that they stitched themselves. Um, it just felt, and a bookmark too. I can't forget that. That was wonderful. They created this bookmark. I was just so touched by everything that they put into this. They worked so hard, and when I opened it, it made me want to read the book. They just did an excellent job. So this was an example. I just wanted to show you, if you are putting together a promo package, this is the way to do it. It makes the person opening that package get just as excited as you are. They want to get behind you, rally behind you, build you up, and make this book a success. Yeah, it's just a really great way to get them on your team. Now, you don't have to be as elaborate as them. It could really just be something as simple as your book, maybe a bookmark that you've created, or a pen that goes along with it. However you want to go about doing this, really, that's for you to decide and for your budget to decide. Hope that helps. I'd love to see if you have any promo packages that you've done. I'd love to see that. So until then, happy book building.